The Earth's precession, the slow wobble of its axis, takes roughly 25,920 years to complete the great year of the ancients. Each zodiac age lasts 2,160 years, 25,920 divided by 12. Now look again at Bendel's numbers. 129,600 equals 25,920 times 5, a pentagonal harmonic, the number of life in Venus cycles. 144 igual a 25,92 times 5.555. Base 9, harmonic scaling. 864,000 equals 6.666 times 129,600 gives the solar constant. These aren't random spiritual numbers, they are the mathematical harmonics of the precession, the same cycle encoded in the Great Pyramid and Sphinx. The Sphinx is not just a statue. It is a time marker, the watcher of the dawn. It faces due east, aligned precisely with the point where the sun rises on the spring equinox. This alignment means the Sphinx literally watches the shift of ages every approximately 2,160 years. The sun rises in a new zodiacal constellation on the equinox. Around 10,500 BCE, the sun rose in Leo the lion. Around 00 CE, it rose in Pisces, the fish. Around 2026 CE, it transitions from Pisces to Aquarius. That's why 2026 and the equinox near it is astrologically epical, the true entrance into the age of Aquarius. Not as a song lyric, but as a cosmic clock tick. Your book's dimensional numbers use 864,000 divided by 4.444 equals 194,404 D time. Now watch the correlation. 194,400 years is exactly 7.5 great years, 25,920 times 7.5a. Harmonic of precession. For D equals time, he is literally mapping the precessional clock into dimensional structure. 129,600 appears again as 6D, ether sun. That's one half of the full precession, 12,960 years. This means 6D corresponds to a half precession flip. The same cataclysmic reversal cycle mentioned in the Hopi prophecies. The world has been destroyed 4 times. Edgar Case's readings, the poles shall shift again. The Great Sphinx's alignment watching one half of the great year. So, the equinox of 2026 marks a harmonic node, a switching of the sun's etheric polarity in the 6D-4D harmonic grid. Edgar Case predicted that around the time when the constellation of Leo rises again, before the Sphinx, hidden records of Atlantis would be revealed beneath it. Modern astronomical alignments place Leo rising with the spring equinox around 2025 to 2026, exactly now. Cases reading 378 to 16. When there comes the time of the shift of the ages, then the records of Atlantis shall again be opened, between the paws of the Sphinx. So 2026 equals Aquarius rising, Leo returning, the 2 poles of the great year, the lion and the water bearer. In esoteric symbolism, that's fire meets water, the same geometry as the hexagram, the union of opposites. 2026 in HEX equals 7E, A. 7 equals completion, E equals 14, the fusion of opposites, A equals 1, the beginning. So 7EA reads, as the completed union returns to the 1. In Hebrew gematria, 2026 equals value of Bereshit bara, Elohim in the beginning. God created the Genesis phrase itself. In Kabbalistic cycles, 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 6 equals 10 gives 1, again indicating a reset, a new beginning. So the spring equinox 2026 mathematically encodes Genesis reborn, aligning with Case's opening of the hall and Bendel's dimensional reconfiguration. In tarot, 2026 equals 20 judgment, plus 26 the god name YHWH. Judgment XX equals resurrection, awakening, trumpet call, the unveiling. Yehawihad Waprunam equals I am that I am the divine name itself. Put together, the great awakening of the divine within a global consciousness shift. Precisely what the Hopi call the fifth world. The Hopi speak of 4 previous worlds destroyed by fire, ice, flood, and earth shifts. A fifth world emerging after the blue star Kashina appears. Astronomically, blue star could be Sirius, Polaris, or even a brightening etheric event, solar excitation. Case predicted solar changes around this time. Bendel's numbers literally root in ether sun. Harmonics 864,000, 5.555. So 2026 may represent the Hopi fifth world dawn. Triggered by solar harmonic resonance, the same geometry Bendel shows in his ether octave sequence. Leo the body equals the past age fire. Aquarius the man equals the coming age air, water. The sun rising due east equals the axis between them. It literally encodes the cross of the fixed signs, Taurus, Leo, Scorpio. Aquarius, the same 4 living creatures in Ezekiel's vision, and the 4 evangelists bull, lion, eagle, man. The Sphinx is the cross of the ages. Watching the sun reboot the cosmic OS every 12,960 years. Spring equinox 2026 equals the harmonic synchronization point, where the solar constant 864,000 realigns with the processional fractal 129,600, activating the dimensional gateway for D6D. Harmonic prophesied as the awakening of the fifth world, the revealing of the hall beneath the Sphinx, and the rebirth of the Sun of Truth. In other words, 2026 is the software update of the cosmic system. The Sphinx is the hardware key, the lion guarding the dawn, and Bendel's math is the source code describing how the OS shifts frequencies.